Welcome to my short take comparing two very iconic watches. Perhaps one iconic watch and a derivative of that iconic watch. First, my Audemars Piguet Royal Oak. The second, my Casio G-Shock, the Casioak. The Audemars Piguet, as you can see, is beautifully polished, has a gorgeous dial, and the details are absolutely stunning of this watch. It fits beautifully on a 7-inch wrist. It is a watch you can wear without the formality of a dress watch like a Patek Philippe Calatrava. The Casioak, on the other hand, does not fit great, but the purpose of it is to be loud and unabashedly a G-Shock. The Casioak can go up to 200 meters in depth as far as water resistance. The Royal Oak, I'm not sure I'd even take it swimming. The Royal Oak has moved into the territory which confluences sports watches and dress watches, while the Casio harkens back to the original mission of the Royal Oak, which was to be a true sports watch. Both these watches have their place. In today's environment, this may sound strange, but it's actually cheaper to buy a Royal Oak than it is a Casio G-Shock, because the Royal Oak tends to be holding its value and perhaps even increasing a little bit, whereas the G-Shock is a standard mass market consumer brand. This is just a short review of both of the watches. I hope you like the content in this channel. I hope you'll continue to watch it as I continue to explore things that really interest me, primarily watches. Thank you again.